Hello and welcome back. Now it's time to have a look at the Power BI interface. And by the end of the session, you will be able to identify and explain the major parts of the Power BI desktop window and how they help create visualizations and insights. In this lecture, I will introduce the interface theoretically, and in the next lecture, we'll work on our first sample project so that we'll have a practical experience of how to use the interface more clearly. Okay, so starting from this interface, at the top of your Power BI window, you will see a ribbon. Think this as the control center of your desktop. It contains tabs like Home, Insert, Modeling, and View. Each tab has tools to help you perform specific tasks. For example, the Home tab allows you to import your data, refresh your reports, or publish it to the Power BI web service. In the Home ribbon, you will see a Get Data option from where you will import various types of data and perform various actions in Power BI Desktop. The Insert tab is where you can add text boxes, shapes, or images to your report. Now, look at the right hand side of your screen. You will see the Fields pane and the Visualizations pane. The Fields pane or the Data pane contain the tables and columns in your dataset. You can drag fields from here directly into the canvas to create visuals. In our sample project, we'll deal with different fields and use them in getting the visuals. It's also where you can create calculations using formulas and programming language called DAX. Now, talking about the visualization pane, this is where you select your chart type like bar charts, pie charts, or tables. And it's also let you customize your visualizations by adding filters, adjusting colors, or changing your layout. Now, on the left hand side, do you see the four icons there? The Power BI basically provides three types of views. Actually, the views are nothing but different ways to see your report. The three views are: the first one is report view, the second one is your table view, and third is your model view. The report view is your default view of your report. This is where the actions really happens. It's your workspace for designing and building the final report. Here you can drag and drop data fields onto the canvas to create visualizations such as charts, graphs, maps, etc. You can also add multiple report pages to keep your report organized. For instance, one page could show sales data, another could show customer demographics, etc. Now, talking about the table view, this is your data sets in table format. You can explore individual rows and columns, make formatting adjustments, and check for missing data. Our third view is the model view. This is where you manage relationships between tables. Now, use it to connect tables with common fields for more dynamic and better reporting. Returning to the report view, take a look at the left hand side of your visualization pane. This is your filter pane, which allows you to narrow down your data. You can apply filters to an individual chart or an entire report page or whole report. For example, you can filter your sales data to show only results of a particular year. Now, when you need to clean or transform your data, the query editor is your go to tool, and you can access it from your home tab by selecting your transform data button. Here, you can remove duplicates, split columns, and shape your data exactly how you need it. Now, located at the bottom of your report view, it shows Page tab, which is pages in your report. Think of it like tabs in Excel. Use them to organize content logically. For example, one page of sales and another for expenses, third for demographics, and etc. We can also change our report view in desktop view as well as your mobile view layouts. So today we have covered a major part of the Power BI desktop window. So in our next lecture, we shall directly work on a sample project with real data, and we shall see how different functions of Power BI interface work together and help to create stunning reports.